Hello guys, to this video is we're going to cook onion shrimp omelette. Ito po yung menu natin for today. Yan po yung shrimp natin and the onion spring tsaka yung egg natin. Okay, keep on watching guys. Okay guys, lalagyan po natin ng pampalasa itong ating egg and salt at saka paminta. Alright, scramble po natin siya. Ay, mahirap yung ano ko, pagtanggal ng takip ng ating oil. Okay guys, we'll start cooking now. Ayan. So, we first put the shrimp. Ay, nalaglag pa yung isa. So, yan guys. Kailangan lutuin muna natin yung ating shrimp. Then, add po natin to yung spring onion. Ang bango-bango na. Naamoy na kaagad yung amoy ng onion. So, lagyan pa rin po natin siya ng paminta para masarap. Tsaka salt. This is shrimp and onion spring omelette. Our menu for today. Actually guys, it's our dinner. Dinner na po namin po ngayon. And another dishes. This is the first dish. Ilocana eh. So, my pronunciation is not really clear. My accent is Ilocana. Alright. Time to put the egg, the scrambled egg. Next time guys, you try this one. It's really tasty. Shrimp and the spring onions omelette. Ay! Sorry. Little bit drop. Nadoling ang cooker. Alright. It's gonna be tasty. Try this time. Try next time, guys. This you're gonna be love it. Omelette. Yun, almost cooking done. Ano muna natin siya para yeah. Yes, my omelette is so looks yummy and tasty. I'm done cooking. Alright guys, this is our shrimp with spring onion omelette. Thank you for watching. See you next videos again, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel at limebautista.youtube.com. Comment, guys, so that I know if you have a suggestion, what kind of recipes my next video to do. Just comment below and don't forget to click the button notification bell so that you'll be updated to all my upcoming videos. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye.